Introducing the skyVac ATEX A37 vacuum system. A single-phase, explosion-proof industrial vacuum, ideal for Zone 22 locations. Reaching heights of up to 12 meters with the included safety locking, anti-static, high access suction poles, eliminating the use of ladders or scaffolding. This vacuum is packed with power at 1000 watts and 3,800 litres per minute airflow, perfect for mid-scale commercial cleaning projects at a height. The 37-litre capacity drum sits on a robust trolley with two multi-directional front casters and two oversized rear wheels, making it easy to manoeuvre. The brushless motor and high filtration system makes this vacuum ideal for the removal of fine dust particles. Included as standard is the skyVac ATEX A37 vacuum system, your choice of safety locking poles, two safety locking system tool holders, a safety locking system hose cuff connector, a hose, a range of end tools, a pole carrier bag and an accessory bag. Please note your poles may arrive separately. The ATEX A37 vacuum system can also be combined with our ATEX telescopic vacuum pole, which have a collapsed height of just 9.3 meters, making them easy to store and transport.